Nia loved asking questions, especially those that grown-ups didn't always know the answer to. One sunny morning, her teacher handed out seeds and soil-filled cups, announcing they would grow plants. Nia thought the seeds looked like pebbles but planted hers like everyone else. That night, Nia asked her mom how something so small could grow big. Her mom explained the magic of nature. The seed has everything it needs inside, requiring only water, sunlight, and time. Nia was intrigued by the concept of waiting patiently. The next day, Nia checked her cup at school but saw only dirt, no sprout or magic. Determined, she became a plant detective, reading about seeds, drawing underground pictures, and writing a note to her seed, expressing belief in its potential. After days of waiting, a tiny sprout finally emerged from the soil. Nia excitedly announced it to the class, and her teacher confirmed the seed had woken up. Nia watched it grow, developing leaves, a stem, and yellow buds over time. When the plant bloomed, Nia whispered, "You did it," realizing the secret. Inside every tiny seed is a new life, waiting for the right moment to begin. Her journey taught her patience and the wonders of nature's growth process.